tied up by Terry. And in fact, Delzado's stick might have caught Terry, but no call. As we move ahead, Ian Walsh, Ryan Puckmara, the referees. Murchison, Brian Murphy, your linesman. Moving on in is Terry for the shot, and Mason with the save. The puck all the way to the glass, stays in play. Chops at it, but right to the Canes, and Falk will move it ahead numbers. It's Eric Stahl with the puck across ice. Got it in front, loose puck. Stahl jabbing at it, and now Lindholm scores.
Couple of Canes dug for the puck in that slot area. Eric Stahl, one of them.
Yeah, number 18 came in there at the last second with McClement.
Handed to Simmons. Simmons stopped by Lyles, active defenseman for the Canes. Now Rasty, wraparound attempt as he was diving and never got out in front. He's got it back now though, with room. Walks to the circle and then back. Got the shot in on goal. Save Mason, and he is able to cover up. Delzato, good work along the boards to tie up the man. The Flyers clear. Giroux surrounded by red jerseys. And they get the puck back. Here's Jordan Stahl and across the line with speed. Swinging wide, firing. Save Mason. Rebound it off as Murphy goes back. Drops it up for Hanifin, who played it right through the blue paint. Ward was alert. Got out of the way, so that didn't bounce off of him and in. Back the other way to Kane. Skinner, a shot. Kick, save. Mason back out. Hanifin, a shot, save. Rebound for Steve. Cannot finish as Mason went sprawling across. For Eric Stahl. Stahl centering it all the way back out. There's Falk. A shot that batted away. I think Mason did get a piece, and Stahl tucked it back out for another shot. They score. Rask ends up with a payoff.
High over Mason.
That was the key, Jonesy, was Rask just settling that puck, because most guys, a lot of them would panic. Here it is. He looks, settles it, goes upstairs where the opening is.
It's Simmons who finds it. He'll deal it across for Manning. Brandon Manning to the Carolina line. Off to Reed, back across ice. Could not be handled cleanly by Couturier. He's got it now. Centers it. Reed there. Shot save made by Ward. Simmons and Reed. There's a round behind the net out the other side. Backhander, and it goes right on through. Now Luke Schenn fires. Score! Well, wouldn't you know? That's how the Flyers get on the board. Luke Schenn just said, I really don't have any other play here, so he fires
with John Michael Lyles, his defenseman, number 26 in red. And Lyles trying to head over to Luke Schenn and took the eyes away of Cam Ward. You can see Ward looking at him right now and telling him to get out of the way. But Luke
backhands, that's blocked. Puck sitting in the slot. Flyers can't get control. And now Falk has it. They'll wind up and all alone in front. Stahl, the shot save. That's Jordan denied by Mason. And then finally checked by Schenn. Flyers really pulls back behind the net. White digs it out of there. Back out to the point. Manning the shot. It goes wide. Gostisbehere pinches. Sweeps the puck along for White. White back to Gostisbehere. The shot. Save, rebound in front. White going for it, but Lyles kept him away from it. 2-on-2 the other way. Just a shot here. Deflects to the corner. And then Eric Stahl tips to his brother. Jordan moving up. Lindholm joining. Here's the pass. Mason slides across and blocks it. The net goes flying off its moorings as Giroux went careening as the puck bounces free to Gostisbehere. He tries the glass and ends up finding a teammate out in center. Beldy across for Gagne. Dropping it off. Belmar, a shot. Save. Ward up high. The rebound. Blocked in front. Reed. Back out. Manning again. Across to Gostisbehere. Gostisbehere makes the move on Terry. Wrist shot. Score! Wayne Simmons in front. Gostisbehere, brilliant setup, and the Flyers have tied this game at 2.
In front, and here's the play by Gostisbehere. Whoops! Around he goes. The shot to the net, and Simmons has it deflect off his body to the back of the net.
Simmons check from behind. This is Nash getting into the Philadelphia zone. Simmons tying him up. Versteeg trying a shot. It bounces to Hanifin for a shot. It goes up high and wide as the horn sounds. One last bid by the Canes, and the youngster on 3 has brought about the desired result in the NHL in terms of more decisions. Here's Delzato. Winds, fires in front. Voracek, he scores! Jake Voracek's drought is over, and it couldn't have come at a better time. An overtime game winner. Flyers win it 3-2.
Was a long way in the victory here for the Flyers, and a long way moving forward for Jake Voracek.